What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be exploring the new elevator update, and we have not been in it yet, but we have found out about the new, like, change, or not new, but like the
changed colored pickaxes,
and the grapple has different noise.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, weird noise now. Alright, let's go.
Let me turn my light on.
Let's move out. Later. Let's roll in, boys. Squat. Squat. Oh, Lord. Okay, let's show them our theory. So, we think this is gonna be the monster.
I hope it is.
I hope it is too, because it looks like Skibidi Toilet. I'm sorry. Let's go up. Come on.
We have to
jump
go
in
up.
and go up. Click the button.
Okay, you click the button.
I
have a revolver.
I'm scared.
I'm going to grapple up. I don't know what's going to be right here.
Bro, what the?
What is this? W music.
Low key? Heck is that noise?
I think it might be a maze. Well, there's more elevators, but I won't go into the office.
I'm scared. Oh! It's Skibidi Toilet! It's Skibidi Toilet!
For real?
It's not actually Skibidi Toilet, but... Look at that thing moving! What is that thing?
What is that thing? What the hell? I won't go touch it.
It looks like... It's the Employee of the Year! What did I say? What did I say? I think that's the picture of it. Let's go touch this view.
Ah!
You're gonna die.
It's camera. It's camera, Bennett. What the hell?
Oh my god. Run. Where are you at?
I'm right here.
Come here. There's a note. No egg? Bruh.
So there might be like
Oh my
a
God.
egg. I don't think I can pick anything up. Okay. Yo, I found some big old pair of scissors.
Oh my god, it's following us. Come here.
I found some scissors though.
Look out!
Gotta be careful.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna try picking up these big ass scissors. Okay, Bennett, we need a... I wanna grab these scissors. I don't know if I can. Yo, Bennett, I got some scissors.
You can pick them up?
Yes, there's another pair of scissors right there. Keep them, because this might get removed. Right here. Bennett, where you at? Oh, it's right there.
Where? Oh.
Right there, behind you. Back. I can't see, I'm blind.
What is that red thing? Kill him. God, it takes kind of a while to die. What else can we grab? Wait, maybe we can open these drawers. Nope. Should we move on?
Okay, I think so. There
That's
is
not the
another
way to
elevator
move
right
on.
here.
That's the way we came in.
I got the picture. Okay, Bennett, I know where to go now. Oh crap! Or think I know. But I'm stuck. Okay, let's go.
You're good. Come here. It's this way.
It's the other way.
Come here. It's this way, buddy.
Oh, I found another way.
A broken elevator.
Yeah, we should go
That's
in these
scary.
hallways first.
this, good nice. Whoa! I wonder where that goes. That's kind of scary.
Oh, Link, get this
Anything-
key card.
Let's go next area.
Already looked in here.
What
There's
is
nothing.
this? What the heck? Answer this call? It says
I
hello.
tried to.
Alright, next
I'm
area.
lost. I think we have to go over here. Well, there's two exits
Listen
now.
a second here.
Try going in here.
Remember your key card. That's what it says. It's gotta mean something, bro. Is it another elevator?
Yeah.
Send it up.
It's gonna be a long video. But it's okay.
What the? Key card, I can guarantee it. Nope. I think we have to hold it. I'm scared. What the heck? Any special items? Yeah, probably.
We just have to find the right floor.
That noise is scary. I'm going up on the roof.
Let's go this way. I'm gonna go
No,
straight.
let's go straight.
Actually, no, I'm going.
Oh, another broken area. Same spot back here, same spot. The same
No way,
spot
we
as
went in a
last time.
circle.
Now we have to go this way. Ouch. No, we already went that way.
No, we haven't been in here. Maybe we have. Shit.
What the heck? It was chasing you. Don't chase my friend. Don't do that.
I think we should go back to the elevator. Cause
Yeah, let's try to find the elevators back over here. It's this way.
we can't go in the same elevator twice. That just brings you back. So I thought I saw one in here.
I need a book. I need a book.
I'm so lost. I don't know where did it go. We should go in the broken elevator, see what happens.
Yeah. I don't like the movement. They changed the movement.
Yeah.
I don't like it at all. Maybe it's just with this pickaxe or in this area.
Wrong way. Let's go in here. Keep going. Right.
Left. Oh, yeah, right instead. Oh, this is slick.
Found one. You go all the way down.
Yo. Custodian area chat?
We should go in here real quick.
Yeah, let's go in there. Then we can go back down to there, or this through the stairs.
God damn it. Hello.
Oh, hey, dude.
We need to hurry up so my sub doesn't despawn.
I'm almost 200% it's gonna despawn, bro.
Hey, I got a revolver now.
That thing is scary.
Bro, my scream was
What
so...
did I say? It was gonna be something. That was gonna be the monster.
It's
I
true.
literally said it. I said it before they even came out.
You in?
It's probated.
About to kill, bro. I'm
I
so
killed him.
mad.
It definitely respawned though. This is the floor, or? No,
Get up
it's-
in this thing. Never
What the
mind.
heck?
I don't want to go in there.
Rapidly spreading nature of the viral. Where are you at? This is not where we went last time.
So confused.
Did it just change?
Found the rubber ducky that we've been looking for the past month.
Scared.
Bennett, I found it. Bennett, I found the rubber ducky. Put it in your bag.
There's another door.
I'll open it. Why is it hard to walk in here? What the?
It's zero gravity aiming.
Yup!
Oh my god, new things?
Yes. She's Loki mining. Yo, they have
I
duckies
think
in
you
it.
get.
How much are the duckies worth?
I don't know, probably a lot.
I'm keeping one.
I guarantee you they're worth a lot. Oh, I just got a gym!
I need to still get my stuff. Actually, I don't really care about my other stuff.
Because I have everything you have. I'm gonna put this stuff in my bag. What was that noise? What was that noise?
I don't know. I heard that too. That's good. Wait,
This
didn't we
is
just go from
different
right there?
No, this is.
I died again. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.